In this video, I'm going to show you how you can automatically allow Firefox browser to install updates. My name is Isaac and this is a minute with AI. So to do so, go ahead and tap on these three dots here. And then from here, look for the option called settings. Now under settings, scroll down until you see the updates feature. And here we go. You can see here Firefox updates. Currently, our Firefox is set to check for updates, but let you choose to install them. However, you like that this installation to happen automatically whenever Firefox finds these updates. To change these settings, go ahead and tap on the first choice, which says automatically install update, and you can see this is the recommended settings. When you tap on this, Firefox will go ahead and install updates whenever they are available. You can also choose whether to allow Firefox to install the updates when it is not running by clicking on this. If you don't want, you can uncheck this and it will still be okay. So I'll allow it so that it can also do so when Firefox is not running. So if this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching and let's meet in the next video.